This is 11 o'clock in Havana, but to big time rain, but nothing yet. It's about to start rain, big time. Here in Havana, Cuba, from our Airbnb, it's about to rain big time. So now the big time rain started with lightning and thunder, everything. And inside, it's all wet here. And this is the rest of the apartment here. Here, this one, the rain is coming in from the windows, from the top too. Yeah, the seal is broken. Now it become very strong. The electricity started going, and the windows are all leaking. The water all inside. This is, you can see a little bit outside. This is in the bedroom. This is all, yeah. It's all coming in from the window, and it makes the bed wet. Don't think we can sleep over here. Here. Huh? So this all becoming the water, and Javier is here trying. This is Fred's room so far. No. Wow. You hear that?